Hello friends, welcome to the channel The Prescriber. Today we will discuss few dermatology questions.
Question number 1. An 8-year-old boy presenting with hypopigmented scaly lesion on the face. The most likely diagnosis is option A pityriasis alba, option B tuberculoid leprosy, C vitiligo, D intermediate leprosy. The right answer is pityriasis alba. A 6-month-old infant had itchy erythematous papules and exudative lesions on the scalp, face, groins, and axillae for 2 weeks. His mother also had history of itchy lesions. The most likely diagnosis is option A congenital syphilis, seborrheic dermatitis, scabies, psoriasis. The right answer is scabies. A 40-year-old farmer has itchy erythematous papular lesions on the face, neck, V area of chest, dorsum of hands and forearms for 3 years. The lesions are more severe in summer and improve by 75% in winter. The most appropriate test to diagnose the condition would be option A skin biopsy, B estimation of IgE levels in the blood, C patch test, D intradermal prick test. The right answer is patch test. This is how the patch test is done. Pseudo-isomorphic phenomenon is characteristic of option A vitiligo, option B psoriasis, option C discoid lupus erythematous, D plain warts. The right answer is plain warts. Koebner phenomenon, also called as isomorphic phenomenon, seen in vitiligo, psoriasis, discoid lupus erythematous. But pseudo-isomorphic phenomenon is a characteristic of plain warts. Blaschko lines represent A. Lines of development, B. Lines along blood vessels, C. Lines along lymphatics, D. Dermatomes. The answer is lines of development. These are Blaschko lines. Blaschko lines are thought to be represent pathways of epidermal cell migration and proliferation during the development of the fetus. Note, they do not correspond to the nervous system or vascular pathways. Wickham striae is seen in lichen nutans, psoriasis, pityriasis roseae, lichen planus. Wickham striae is seen in lichen planus. These are lacy white lesions in the mouth. Podophyllum resin is indicated in the treatment of psoriasis, pemphigus, condyloma acuminata, condyloma lata. The answer is condyloma acuminata. Earliest feature of tuberous sclerosis is A. Facial angiofibroma, B. Chagrin patch, C. Ashley spot, D. Gingival fibroma. The right answer is Ashley spot. These are the features of tuberous sclerosis: Ashley spot, Coinen tumors, those are periungual fibromas, and facial angiofibromas, and Chagrin patch. Civet bodies are found in A. Psoriasis, B. Lichen planus, C. Dermatophytosis, D. Vitiligo. The answer is lichen planus. These are civet bodies. These are eosinophilic hyaline ovoid bodies. These are actually apoptic keratinocytes seen in between the epidermis and at the dermoepidermal junction. Which of the following is not a feature of HSP? A. Sphincter hemorrhages. B. Abdominal pain. C. Epistaxis. D. Thrombocytopenia. The answer is thrombocytopenia. This is the classic triad of HSP: palpable purpura, abdominal pain, arthritis. Note, it has palpable purpura without thrombocytopenia and coagulopathy. Thank you.